Alam mo, there are two important events in a person's lifetime. The day that you were born and the day that you will meet our Creator. So that is birth and death. Habang nabubuhay tayo, it involves working hard and then we will retire. Diba? Sa early part of our lives, we have no problem because everything is provided for by our parents, including schools, foods, clothing, lahat wala kang problema kapag minor ka. But time will come, you have to work to provide for whatever contingencies that you will encounter. And part of your income, magiging savings mo. Ang question is, yung savings mo ba or will this part be enough for this part, yung retirement mo? Yung savings ba natin is enough for our retirement? What is the answer? Sa lahat po na nagtatrabaho ngayon, may sagot. No. Okay, thank you. So, if the answer is no, I have good news. Okay? What I can show you is a way that you can save money while you are working. Okay, so ulitin ko ha. Pwede ako may maipakita sa iyo na programa na habang nagtatrabaho ka, makakapag-ipon ka. So ang tanong, do you want to be set for life? So, Beshi, do you want to be set for life? The answer is yes. Okay, Beshi, may dalawa kang option kung gusto mo maging set for life. Mag-ipon ka. Saan ka mag-iipon? Pwede ka mag-ipon sa bangko. Kunwari, nag-ipon ka ng 5,000 monthly. After 1 year, 60,000 na yan. Plus interest. Di ba? So, pero pag nagkasakit ka, ang pwede mo lang ma-withdraw sa bangko, yung amount na na-deposit mo at yung interest. Tapos, zero balance na at magko-close na yung account mo. Bigyan kita ng another option. Dito, pwede ka mag-ipon ng 5,000 monthly. After 1 year, 60,000 na. Next fund. Available itong 1 million pesos para sa'yo. Pwede mong gamitin. Pag hindi mo nagamit yan, tuloy-tuloy lang na naka-invest yung pera mo, pwede mong gamitin para sa education ng anak mo at para sa retirement mo. Okay? At ang maganda dito, habang nag-iipon ka, protected ka at protected yung family mo. If something bad happen, 1 million pesos guaranteed for your family. So, Beshi, which is better? Bank savings or set for life? So, pag ang sagot, set for life, good news. This set for life is available at FWD.
Chinky, hindi ko naman kailangan ng life insurance. Bata pa naman ako, gastos lang siya. Grabe ka naman. Ay, nako my friendship. Kung gusto mong malaman ang katotohanan, if you really need life insurance or not, panoorin mo ito.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Hi there, this is Chinky Tan, also known as Mr. Chink Positive. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa channel nito. Itong mga channel ng mga iponaryo at ng mga payaman. Mga friendship ha, kung kayo po ay hindi pa nagsasubscribe. You know the drill, my friends. So, let me start again this session with a question. Yung sasakyan ba ay may insurance? Of course. Bakit? Kasi mahalaga yung sasakyan, kung mabangga, just in case, di ba? At least meron tayong pambayad. Pero ito yung weird, my friends. Have you thought about this? Yung sasakyan, naka-insure, pero yung driver, hindi. Alam mo, from one iponaryo to the other, no? Especially, I know that you are a responsible person. Alam mo, pagdating po sa yung mga hindi inaasahang bagay, like aksidente, hindi natin alam kung kailan to darating. At pag ito ay dumarating, parati natin sinasabi, sana may insurance ako, sana may protection ako. So, sa huli, parati ang pagsisisi. Bakit? It will drain our savings. Pero may nagsasabi naman, Chinky, paano naman kung hindi naman nagamit? Sayang naman binayad ko. Well, good kung hindi mo magagamit. Bakit? Ikaw ba, nagpe-pray ka? Kunyari, may car insurance ka, pinagpe-pray mo, sana mabangga, sana mabangga, sana mabangga. Bakit? Para magamit ko, para Di ba? Hindi rin ganun yun. Sana, kunyari, may health insurance ka. Hindi ka mag-pray, sana magkasakit ako, sana magkasakit ako. Bakit? Para magamit ko naman, para ma-maximize ko. Likewise, di ba? So, sa life insurance din, pag meron ka nun, di ba? Pag meron ka nun, hindi ka naman nagpe-pray, sana naman mawala ako. No. It's just a sort of protection. Kasi we just need to understand, ano ba talaga yung essence ng insurance? No, insurance is whole, whether it's life, whether it's a car, whether it's yung sa non-life, Yun, ang ibig sabihin po ng life insurance or insurance is all about transferring risk. Para sa akin, di ba? Ikaw ba'y sigurista? Kung sigurista ka, talagang bagay ang insurance sa'yo. Bakit? You're able to transfer the risk from one person to the other, from one entity to the other. Imbis na ikaw ang may liability, ang liability pinapasa mo sa iba, which is really smart. And that is what most of the billionaires do. Kaya nga, meron sila tinatawag ng mga insurance sa mga negosyo just in case magkaroon sila ng problema, liability or demanda, hindi na sila magbabayad kasi naka-insure na sila. And one thing that is not sure in this world is what we call as what? Yung tinatawag natin consistency and security. Alam mo, itong COVID na ito really revealed to all of us, walang tinatawag na job security, walang tinatawag na permanency, especially when it comes to business. Kaya nga, alam mo, we just need to learn how to transfer the risk. That's number one. What if there's a way for you to transfer the risk? Would you want to transfer the risk? Why not? Diba? Number two, insurance. Life insurance is all about protecting. Especially yung pinag-usapan natin protection. I don't know if you're familiar already yung about income replacement fund. Ano po itong income replacement fund na ito? Ang ibig sabihin ng income replacement fund, just in case you are the breadwinner and then something happened to you. Ito yung good news. The family can continue to live as if the breadwinner never left. Yan po yung tinatawag na income replacement fund. And that can be only replaced with an insurance. Kunyari, ang monthly expense mo ay 20,000 pesos per month. So, yung insurance will be able to replace that 20,000 pesos per month. Diba? Gusto mo ba mangyari yun? That can only be done. Again, kung meron kang life insurance. Or if not naman, example, bumili ka, let's say, ng property. Oo, yung asset mo, diba? Ang ibig sabihin po naman ng yung mga property, like for example, just in case, no? Just like what happened to my friend in Ireland. Oo. Yung asawa niya, bumili ng bahay. And yung asawa niya, ang nangyari po, siya yung nagbabayad, no? However, namatay yung asawa. So, naiwan yung anak, di ba? At saka yung asawa. Pero yung anak, yung asawa, walang pambayad. Eh, syempre, namumblema sila regarding yung sa paano yung monthly amortization. Natatakot na sila, paalisin na sila sa bahay. Alam mo, after, I think, 1 week or 2 weeks, bigla na lang may dumating from the bank at sinabi, yun nga, we condolence sa pamilya nyo na wala na yung breadwinner nyo. However, ito po, meron kaming ibibigay po sa inyo. Nagtaka ngayon yung asawa. Ano ibibigay? The house is already paid in full. Ha? Sino nagbayad? Yung asawa niyo po. Kasi when she took the house, pumili siya ng tinatawag ng MDRP. O ano itong MDRP? It's called Mortgage Debt Repayment Plan. Ang ibig sabihin po niya, just in case, kung ano po nangyari sa payo na yung nagbabayad, automatically, yung balanse na babayaran niya sa bahay, bayad na. And that is what happened. That is what life insurance can also do for you. Diba? And then, not only that, ang kagandahan pa rin dito, yung tinatawag natin na healthcare needs nyo. No? That's another way that insurance can really protect us whether we like it or not. Question lang, my friend, may kakilala ba kayo na tinamaan po ng karamdaman, especially sa panahon ng COVID? And then, I'm sure you know someone. The next question, do you know how much they spend? Based on my interview at nagtanong-tanong ako, mahina na po yung kalahating milyon ang pataas. So, ito yung tanong. Let's say, nagkasakit. Magbabayad din ng bills. Aside from bills, na walang pa ng work. Di ba? Hindi ka makapagtrabaho. So, ang problema niyan, sino magbabayad naman ng kanyang mga monthly expenses, tubig, kuryente, upa? And then after that, syempre, mayroon pa tinatawag na post-care. When you say post-care, yung rehab time. Ano, wala kang work, pero meron ka pang post-medication. The good news is this. When you have what we call as the critical illness fund. Ano itong critical illness fund? This is a form of life insurance also. No? Ang kagandahan dito, kahit buhay ka pa because of the critical illness funds, babayaran kung ano man yung income loss mo, plus the fact yung rehab mo, babayaran din po. This is very different from the health insurance na binabayaran po natin. Ito po yung critical illness fund. At kung gusto nyo malaman kung paano magkaroon po niyan, simple lang po. Please go to your financial advisor na mga kakilala nyo. At tanungin nyo, may kinikwento si Chinkitan na critical illness fund na kahit buhay pa, yung tao, di ba, pag magkasakit, tapos, let's say, nagkaroon ng tinatawag na critical illness at mababayaran pa. Okay? Tanungin nyo na lang po sila. And then for me, alam mo, isa pang best part ng life insurance, it's all about providing what we call as infusion of cash flow. Kasi just in case, again, something happens to the one who's insured, automatically the dependents would receive the lump sum in cash tax-free. Tax-free po. Ito mga friendship. Mahirap na po mawalan ng mga mahal sa buhay. Pero mas mahirap, wala ka pang pambayad ng mga pangailangan. Imbis na tayo po ay nag-iwan ng blessing, nag-iwan pa tayo ng sakit ng ulo. Oh, and I know you don't want to leave that to your loved one. Right now, let's go to two more benefits ng life insurance. It's all about, again, sa totoo lang, having peace of mind. Peace of mind for yourself and peace of mind for your family. Alam mo, ang hindi kayang bayaran talaga, peace of mind. Diba? You don't have to worry about your finance just in case something happens, diba? And then, like for example, paano mangyari sa future, diba? It will take care of all of those concerns. You can focus on matters that really matters right now. Think that matters right now. Like working hard, building your dreams, diba? And aspiration, again, wala ka ng problema. And last but not the least, para sa akin, ang best talaga, insurance is all about protecting your future by increasing your potential also to earn from the investment. Alam mo, kasi ang life insurance po ngayon ay naging very creative. Creative in the sense that they don't only offer protection but they also offer investment. Particularly, meron pong 2-in-1 na mga insurance na tinatawag na meron ka ng insurance, meron ka pang investment. Ito po yung tinatawag na VUL. Oo, ang ibig sabihin niyan, Variable Universal Life, may built-in cash-in value na siya. Okay, and then, yung mga in-invest po natin sa kanila, sa mutual funds na yan, they invest it in stocks, invest it in bonds, they invest it in property. So, itong cash value na makukuha po natin, ay mawi-withdraw po natin. Kahit buhay pa po tayo when the needs arises. And ang kagandahan po nito, mas malaki po ang ino-offer po nila talagang rate compared to the interest of the bank. Yan. So, kung makikita po natin, ang dami po mga benefits, pag meron ka talagang insurance. So, it's up to you. Diba? Up to you kung you feel that there's value or not. Pero, kung ikaw ay sigurista at wise na tulad ko, sa palagay mo, need mo ba talaga ang life insurance?